Assalamualaikum and good day. Welcome to Pollution Control and Chemical Reaction Engineering Laboratory course. I am Dr. Norzita and in this video, I will explain on how to carry out ambient air quality measurement experiment. In this experiment, the quality of the ambient air in UTM will be measured using a high volume assembler or HVS. HVS is used to collect total suspended particulate in the atmosphere. To demonstrate the experiment, I will be assisted by our lab assistant engineer, Mr. Bohari. The apparatus for this experiment are high volume sampler HVS, filter paper, and balance. To perform this experiment, first weight the filter paper and record the reading. Then open the lid of HVS, the frame, and put the pre-weighed filter paper then close the HVS. Turn on the pump and leave it for a certain period of time. Record the sampling time. Then open the lid of HVS. Take out the filter paper and close the HVS. This is a filter paper after the sampling. As can be seen, there is a difference in the color of the paper before and after the sampling. Then again, with the filter paper and record the reading. The difference in the filter weight before and after the sampling is the collected particulate mass. In the report, determine the concentration of DSA. The concentration can be calculated by dividing the collected particulate mass by the inlet volumetric rate of air multiplied with sampling time. Be noted, the concentration of suspended particles is usually expressed as microgram per meter cubic, which is the mass of suspended particles per meter cube of volume air. Then, compare the obtained TSP value with the standard Malaysia TSP. This is to know whether the ambient air in the UTM is in a safe level. Discuss the differences. With that, thank you very much for watching this video and hopefully it can help you to prepare the lab report.